In this video, you'll learn how to install a Google Chrome identifier, which is this little Squarespace plugin up the top here. And what it does is when I click on it, it will identify all the block IDs, all the section IDs, and the collection IDs for my Squarespace website. Why is this important? It's important because you will need to copy these and add these IDs into your custom CSS code to tweak finer points and make adjustments of your website when custom coding it. So how do we get there? First up, we go to the Chrome Web Store, search extensions, type in Squarespace Block Identifier and enter. You want to select this one. We can see that it's already installed, but I'm going to remove that and add it back in. Add extension. It's then going to notify me that it has been added. Click up here, scroll on down, and I want to make sure it's pinned there to my fast menu so that I can access it really quickly and toggle it on and off. So I can see all of those identifying numbers, whether they be collections, sections, or block, and click them to copy them and then add them to my custom CSS when required.